A warm greetings to one and all. I'm Sahiba from CSCAM B section. Today we are going to discuss a topic about steps to convert an algorithm to program. Here we are going to discuss a concept on what is algorithm in a language, how to write an algorithm, how to write program in C language, how to convert algorithm to program, examples and conclusions. Firstly, we are going to discuss what is algorithm in C language. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. Algorithms and generally created independent of underlying languages. Example, an algorithm can be implemented in more than one programming language. From the data structure point of view, uh, following are some important categories of algorithm search, algorithm to search, and item in a data structure. Sort algorithm to sort items in a certain order. Insert algorithm to insert item a data structure. Update algorithm to update and exit existing item in a data structure. Delete algorithm to delete an exciting item from a data structure. Characteristics of an algorithm. Not all procedures can be called an structure. Categories of an algorithm. Not all procedures can call an algorithm. An algorithm should have the following characteristics. Unitless algorithm should be clear and unabolish. Each of its steps and their input output should be clear and must be two steps. And this input output should be clear and must lead to only one meaning. Input. An algorithm should have zero or more well defined inputs. Output. An algorithm should have one or more well defined outputs and shared matches the desired output. Fitness algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. Feasibility should be feasible with the available resources. Independent. An algorithm should have step-by-step directions which should be independent of any programming code. How to write an algorithm. There are no well-defined standards for writing algorithm. Rather, it is problem and resource dependent. Algorithms are never written to support a particular programming code. As we know that all programming languages share basic codes, constructions like loops, float, control, etc. These constructs can be used to write an algorithm. Here, I gave the example how to write an algorithm. First, we should start and we should give the input and reminder module. It goes, if it is true, it goes to answer even. If it is false, it goes to answer all. And we'll get the answer and it ends the program. Know the problem domain for which we are designing a solution. Example, let's try to learn algorithm writing by using an example problem. design an algorithm to add two numbers and display the results. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Declare three numbers A, B, and C. Step 3. Define values of A and B. Step 4. Add values of A and B. Step 5. Store output of step 4 to C. Step 6. Print C. Step 7. Stop algorithms. Tell the programmers how to code the program. Alternately, the algorithm can be written as step 1, start, add. Step 2, get values of A and B. Step 3, C is A plus B. Step 4, display C. Step 5, stop in design and analysis of algorithms. Usually, the second method is used to describe an algorithm. It makes it easy for the analyst to analyze, analyze an algorithm ignoring all unwanted definitions. He can observe what operations are being used and how the process is flowing. Writing steps numbers is opinion. We design an algorithm to get a solution of a given problem. A problem can be solved in more than one ways. How to write a program in C language is one of the oldest and most powerful programming language widely used across the world. It combines the elements of high-level language with the functionality of assembly language and is often called a middle-level computer language. Due to its possibility, the clean style and closeness to the hardware, it is ideal of the low-level development of operating system kernels and embedded software. C language is considered as the base of many other programming languages and is known as the mother language. We will explain what C language is, the history of C language, features and applications of C programming, and simply explain of how C programming works and some of the best resources to learn this language. How to convert algorithm to program. Divide the smaller number into a larger one and get remainder. 450 by 100 is equals to 4 with a remainder of 50. Repeat step 1 with the small of two numbers and the remainder 100 by 50 is equals to 2 with no remainder. Repeat the first step until you get a reminder that divides a board of original number without leaving a reminder of its own. That the GCD in this example, that's 50, which is GCD for 40 and 100. To see another example, let's try 960 and 500. 960 by 500 is equals to 1 with a remainder of 460. 500 by 460 is equals to 1. In the remainder of 40, 460 by 40 is equals to 11. Remainder 20. 40 by 20 is equals to 2. Remainder 0. Number of sides of the rectangle and the repeated divided by rectangular into squares with sides equal to the smaller number as shown below. As you can guess, tiling a roof would be one of the popular real-life applications for the GCD, but whatever you are using it for, you know, need a way to code it. Often, the best way to start or out is just to write the code in the same order of the algorithm steps and let it go. Starting with the initial calculation, C reminder is equals to high number percentage low number. If reminder is not equals to 0, high number is equals to low number is equals to reminder. Leaving aside the need of declare variables and assign values to them, a moment the lines above show the remainder being calculated from the higher and lower number using the mode operator, then the code needs to evaluate the reminder and decide how to predict. So we start and if statements and determine if the reminder equals 0. If the remainder is greater than 0, the calculation will not to continue. So we judge some figures around the remainder is now going to the divided into the lower number. So the higher number is declared, the low number is moved into its place, and the remainder becomes the low number. Now we need things, two things, a way to look this calculation and a way to stop it when it finishes. An example for the coding here, we took the example is write an algorithm for subtracting two numbers. Step 1, start. Step 2, read two numbers A and B. Step 3, answer is equals to A minus B. Step 4, display an answer. Step 5, stop. Here, coding includes first two variables and then printing A, then scanning A and print, taking value of B and scanning B. Answer is equals to A minus B. Printing A minus B. We return the program. We get the answer. Conclusion. However, it's important to note that a program algorithm is not computer code. It's written in simple English. It doesn't beat around the brush. A start, a middle, and end. In fact, you will probably label the first step start and the last step end. It includes only whatever you need to carry out the task. It does not include anything unclear, often called embarrassing in computer lingo, and someone reading it might wonder about it. It always leads to a solution and tries to be the most efficient solution we can think of. It's often a good idea to number the steps, but you don't have to. Instead of numbering steps, some clothes use indentation and writing Poster code, which is a similar programming language used to describe the steps in an algorithm, but we won't use that here since simplicity is the main thing. Otherwise, let's just use the diagram called a flowchart, which we will discuss soon. Thank you.